on in the kitchen, y'all, because you know what I'm cooking up today? I'm cooking up hot wings for us. And I've been told by someone who really knows good food, and that's my Aunt Peggy. She said the best wings she has ever eaten, Teresa, was in my air fryer. So.
And they're so healthy for you.
They are healthier.
Healthier.
Than dropping it in deep grease. But one reason I love to cook my wings in this is because I can keep a close eye on them, and I like a real crispy wing. I don't want any soft skin. I want it crispy. So I can get it that way in this air fryer without letting it sit in grease for a long time. Yes. So I'm gonna show you how I do them, and I hope you will like it. I've got some olive oil. Is it olive oil we're using?
No, it's actually peanut oil.
Oh, the peanut oil, yes, because this is what we fry in. We fry in peanut oil. It's the most forgiving. It doesn't burn as much as most of them do. They react real good to the heat. So, which means that you can get more fryings out of peanut oil than you can any other oils. Plus that peanut it really does give it a good flavor. All of our chicken is always fried in peanut oil.
If you were allergic to, I'm sorry.
No.
If you were allergic to peanuts and you needed to use canola, would that change anything?
No. I mean, maybe that much difference, but I don't know if y'all heard Teresa. She said, what if you had an allergic reaction to peanuts? As a lot of people do now. When I was a child, I never heard of anybody having a peanut allergy. I don't know if it's something that just migrates over the years. I don't know. But no, if you have a peanut allergy, don't use peanut oil. All right, now to this peanut oil, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So let's see. What would y'all think is 1/8? Let's see. A dash, a tad, a drop, a smidgen, or a pinch. Let's go with a pinch. You want to? Y'all think a pinch is too much? I'm kind of a sissy when it comes to heat. Okay, I'm gonna find out if, what do we use? The pinch. I'm gonna find out if the pinch is way too hot. All right. I'm gonna get a spoon and stir that up. And then I'm gonna pour this over our chicken wings that have been washed and patted dry. So here we go. So since we use the cayenne, I'm not going to use any black pepper. Okay. Then we're going to toss this. And it'd be great if you had time to do this maybe an hour before you cooked it and let those flavors just marry into that little bird. Okay, so I'm going in and make sure they all get. My ring sounds like I'm ringing a bell, doesn't it? Okay, so that is it. We're on our way. But I got to wash my hands before I can go another step, y'all. So just talk amongst yourself. Y'all talk amongst yourself, Daddy. Teresa.
I'm just ready for wings. I'm hoping that dash or whatever you used wasn't too much.
I hope it's not either. Okie dokie. So, we're gonna pour these into our basket. And Eddie's gonna help me shut it because I'm working backwards. And we're gonna cook these for 25 minutes. But I'm looking for 25 minutes.
I have to help Eddie.
Okay, I think that's it. Check and see if that's it.
Yep.
Okay. And is it on 400?
It's on 300.
Okay, I moved it the wrong way. Okay, so 25 minutes. Now, in the meantime, I'm gonna make an original hot wing sauce. And this might be my family's favorite. So we're gonna start with a stick of butter. I know y'all are shocked. That reminds me of a story, but I'm not gonna tell it. So we're gonna melt that stick of butter, y'all. We're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of my hot sauce. And we're just gonna let those blend together, and we'll keep it on warm while our hot wings are baking, roasting, cooking, air frying. But I'm gonna check these wings halfway through, and I'm gonna just shake the basket. And if I feel like they need a cool drink, I'll just spray them with a little bit more canola oil. 25 minutes, like that. Okay, so remember I melted a stick of butter and 1/3 of a cup of hot sauce, I think. That you can just put as much as you want, y'all. I can't get too much of that with my family. So make those dogs shut up. Come here, Gus. You're on a hot wing. So we have cooked these just to our liking, and that's crisp. Ouch, crisp. Love a crisp wing. So now all we're gonna do is toss them.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. All we're gonna do is toss them in our sauce and just make sure they all get coated good. Now, some people might like to serve them just slap naked and put the sauce on the side and dip it as you go. Oh my goodness, these look just fabulous, y'all. That crunch, crunch, crunch. Yay. And with blue cheese and ranch dressing. Wow, look. That skin just ripped because it's so crispy. My favorite part of the wing is the flapper. You know, the part that goes like that. Like, yeah, this part. That flapper part. That's my favorite. And I think most people like the drumstick, like this one, but to me the meat is just so much sweeter in the flapper. All right, so I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of our extra sauce. And you can save this and refrigerate it and use it again. Ooh, and look, Teresa's gotten us out some ranch dressing. Y'all, please hush. Oh, they know just as good that somebody just came in here. Hush! Okay, so I'm looking for me a flapper. Nope, that's not a flapper, is it? Yeah, I know these are flappers. I know that's a flapper. I just don't like gushy skin, soft skin. To y'all, I like them crispy. Come eat one, Teresa. They're delicious.
How hot are they?
Not too hot.
I know you. You're trying to trick me.
Mm-mm. I said my tongue is like my fingertips. You know, I don't have the fingerprints left because I've used them all. I think my tongue's the same way.
That's what
Over
I
the
said.
years,
You'll
I've-
trick me.
No, come taste it. Delicious.
I
Y'all.
think Eddie should taste one.
Oh, Eddie will taste more than one, won't you, Eddie?
Definitely.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Eddie loves wings. And I'll tell you another sauce that I make that my family loves, and it's equally as easy. Melt a stick of butter and then put in a small jar of pepper jelly and melt that, and then toss your real crispy wings in that, and it is so good. Kind of reminds me of a little Asian flair to it. Ooh, and my family loves that too. So that's it. I'm gonna eat my wang. I hope y'all like it. Once you get used to having an air fryer, you never want to be without one, y'all. Oh, tell them where to go see it. Can I tell them
Sure.
where to go see it if they want to check it out? My air fryer.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's on
Amazon.
Amazon, Paula Deen shop.
Paula Deen shop.
That's it.
That's it.
It's real hard.
That's it. That's it. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.